Think you've seen every tool out there? Think again. In this video, we're uncovering 10 mind-blowing tools you never knew existed, all under $99 on Amazon. From game-changing hammer drills to space-saving tools and innovative DIY solutions, these tools are clever, practical, and surprisingly affordable. And wait till you see tool number 6. It's something even pro handymen are adding to their kits in 2025. Without further ado, let's dive in. A pressure washer is a necessary tool for anyone seeking a convenient, efficient, and versatile cleaning solution without the limitations of cords or bulky machines. Traditional cleaning methods often fall short when it comes to reaching tight spots, removing tough dirt, or providing portability for outdoor use. The KIMO cordless pressure washer is a versatile, portable cleaning solution designed for convenience, safety, and power. With an adjustable handle grip, you can switch between two positions, perfect for cleaning hard-to-reach areas like undercars or high spots with comfort. The dual switch control includes a safety lock to prevent accidental activation, ensuring safe use around children. Choose between two pressure modes, 250 psi high pressure for stubborn dirt, or 130 psi low pressure for gentle tasks like flower watering. A 0.03-gallon foam cannon provides dense, rich foam for efficient car washing, while a soft brush attachment helps clean surfaces without scratching paint. The 17-feet flexible draw hose includes a filter basket for debris protection, allowing longer reach and cleaner operation. Whether washing your car, bike, pet, or home surfaces, the KIMO cordless power washer offers an all-in-one battery-powered solution for fast, efficient, and flexible cleaning. Plastic components like bumpers, dashboards, or gas tanks are expensive and time-consuming to replace. The WEP Plastic Welder Kit is a powerful and practical solution for repairing cracked or broken plastic parts, saving both time and money. Ideal for fixing car bumpers, dashboards, plastic gas tanks, and household items. This 110-volt WEP 960-volt welder heats hot staples quickly, allowing you to embed them into plastic cracks for strong, lasting repairs. The kit includes 200 staples, a pair of cutters, and a built-in LED light for clear visibility in low-light conditions. It's easy to use. Simply heat, insert, weld, and trim. The tool also features a safety function to prevent overheating, and it comes with a durable 53.9-inch US spec power cord. Whether you're a mechanic or a DIYer, this kit is an essential addition to your toolbox. Traditional drills often lack the power and durability needed for heavy-duty tasks, making jobs slower and more exhausting. The Greenworks 24-volt SDS brushless hammer drill is a powerful cordless tool designed for heavy-duty drilling and breaking tasks in bricks, masonry, and aggregates. Powered by a single 24-volt battery from the Greenworks Powerall range, it delivers strong performance without the hassle of cords. This drill features a spring-loaded SDS chuck for quick and easy bit changes, along with a detachable side handle for added comfort and control during tough jobs. At its core is an advanced brushless motor that ensures longer runtime, higher efficiency, and improved battery performance. With 4 selectable modes, standard drilling, hammer drilling, variolock, and a powerful breaker function, it adapts to a wide range of applications, from precise drilling to aggressive chiseling. Whether you're a professional or a serious DIYer, the Greenworks SDS brushless hammer drill is the ideal all-in-one tool for demanding construction and renovation projects. Traditional screwdrivers can be time-consuming and physically tiring, especially when dealing with delicate components or repetitive tasks. The STREBITO Mini Electric Screwdriver Kit is a comprehensive 144-in-1 precision tool set, perfect for electronics repair, DIY projects, and professional maintenance work. It includes a compact electric screwdriver, a manual driver for high-torque tasks, 120 precision bits, and 22 repair tools, making it ideal for IT technicians, PC builders, and gadget fixers. With a rotation speed of up to 200 revolutions per minute and adjustable torque, this cordless screwdriver ensures fast and accurate screw driving. Its ergonomic non-slip design and intuitive controls make it easy to use for both beginners and pros. The 350 mAh rechargeable battery delivers long-lasting performance with just 60 minutes of USB-C fast charging. Magnetic tools like a magnetizer, demagnetizer, and a magnetic project mat keep your workspace neat and screw loss minimal. Backed by a lifetime warranty and 30-day money-back guarantee, this kit is a must-have for anyone needing precise, efficient repair solutions. Traditional screwdrivers and low-power drills can struggle with tough materials or long screws, often causing hand fatigue and inconsistent results. The WORKPRO Cordless Impact Driver Kit is a powerful and versatile addition to any toolbox, designed for efficient drilling and fastening. This 20-volt combo kit includes a drill driver with an 18-setting adjustable clutch, 3/8 inch keyless chuck, and selectable modes for drilling or driving. The included impact driver delivers a strong 1,150 inch-pounds of torque with a 1/4-inch quick-load hex chuck, making it perfect for heavy-duty fastening tasks. Both tools feature ergonomic anti-slip grips and built-in LED lights to illuminate dark or confined workspaces. The kit comes complete with two 2.0 ampere-hour batteries for extended use, a 1-hour fast charger, and a starter set of drill and driver bits. Whether you're a DIYer or a pro, the WORKPRO kit delivers reliable performance, comfort, and convenience for all your drilling and driving needs, helping you build better, faster, and smarter. A powerful and brushless motor makes it ideal for tough tasks like automotive repairs, construction, and heavy machinery assembly, where traditional tools might struggle or cause fatigue. The Metabo Cordless Impact Wrench is a compact yet powerful tool designed for demanding fastening tasks. Featuring a 1/2-inch male square drive and delivering up to 300 Newton-meters of torque, it's perfect for automotive work, construction, and heavy-duty applications. Powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor, it offers longer battery life and optimal performance. The automatic power shift feature prevents over-tightening by reducing torque automatically after drilling, which is especially useful for self-tapping screws. With 12 adjustable speed and torque settings, it adapts easily to a wide range of jobs. Its low kickback design enhances user safety and control, while the integrated LED work light ensures excellent visibility in dim spaces. Built with a durable die-cast aluminum gear housing for heat dissipation, it also includes a versatile belt hook and comes with the Metabox system for organized transport and storage. Whether you're working with wood, metal, tile, or vinyl siding, a circular saw provides the power and speed to handle a wide range of materials efficiently. The WORX Versacut Mini Circular Saw is a versatile, compact tool designed to cut through wood, aluminum, tile, and vinyl siding with ease. Its powerful motor spins the blade at 3,500 RPM, allowing quick, precise slicing of various materials. The slim, ergonomic design lets you operate the saw comfortably with one hand, making it more convenient than bulky, full-size circular saws. Rear motor placement ensures excellent balance for accurate cuts. Depth adjustments are simple with a flick of a knob, offering up to 1 1/16 inch cutting depth. The built-in laser guideline helps create straighter cuts, improving precision. Plus, the dust extraction port lets you connect a shop vacuum to keep your workspace clean. Engineered with advanced technology and durability in mind, the Versacut is perfect for DIYers seeking efficiency and ease in one compact saw. Cutting a variety of materials accurately and efficiently is essential for many projects, whether you're working with wood, metal, plastic, or tile. Using multiple tools for each material can be costly and time-consuming. The DOVAMAN Circular Saw is a versatile cutting tool designed to handle a variety of materials with ease. It comes with 6 blades, 2 4-inch and 3/4 inches TCT blades for wood, 2 4.5 inches TCT blades for soft metal and plastic, and 2 4.5 inches blades for tile, allowing you to switch quickly between cutting tasks. This compact saw features a built-in laser guide and edge guide for precise, straight cuts. Stability is enhanced by a large 3.5 inches by 9.5 inches base and a metal auxiliary handle that can be mounted on either side. It offers adjustable bevel cutting from 0 degrees to 45 degrees with a max depth of 1 1/8 inches at 45 degrees and a depth adjustable crosscut up to 1 11/16 inches. Safety is prioritized with a dual-switch activation system and a vacuum adapter to reduce dust. The kit includes blades, handles, guides, and premium customer support for a complete cutting solution. Maintaining neat, well-shaped shrubs and hedges is essential for a healthy, attractive garden and curb appeal. Traditional corded or gas-powered trimmers can be cumbersome, noisy, and difficult to maneuver, often limiting where and how long you can work. The Sunjoe Cordless Handheld Hedge Trimmer offers the freedom of cordless trimming with powerful performance. Powered by a 24-volt Ion Plus battery, its 2 ampere-hour capacity delivers up to 35 minutes of fade-free run time, perfect for quick, efficient shrub shaping without gas, oil, or tangled cords. The 18-inch rust-resistant steel blades feature dual-action technology, reducing vibration by up to 40% compared to single-action models, and can cut branches up to 0.6 inches thick for clean, precise trims. User-friendly features include a dual-handed grip for better control, a built-in safety switch to prevent accidental starts, and a front handguard for protection. Lightweight and maintenance-free, this hedge trimmer makes yard work easier, safer, and more eco-friendly, helping you maintain beautifully groomed hedges and bushes with ease. Locating and clearing pipe blockages is critical for maintaining efficient plumbing and preventing costly water damage. Traditional methods often rely on guesswork or invasive measures that can damage pipes or walls, leading to expensive repairs. The VEVOR Pipe Blockage Detector is a precise and reliable tool designed to locate blockages in both metal and non-metal pipes with ease. Utilizing electromagnetic induction, it offers strong signal penetration, detecting blockages up to 40 centimeters deep in non-metal pipes and 15 centimeters in metal pipes. Equipped with a 100-foot signal line, it makes invisible pipeline issues visible, saving time and effort during inspections. Its IP67 waterproof rating allows operation in wet or dry conditions, and it includes 8 spare waterproof probes for easy replacement. Users can adjust sensitivity for broader detection or pinpoint accuracy. The device supports USB and lithium battery charging, providing up to 10 hours of transmitter use and 5 hours for the receiver. Compatible with various pipe materials and sizes, the VEVOR detector is an essential tool for construction engineers and homeowners tackling stubborn pipe blockages safely and efficiently. There you have it, 10 amazing tools under $99 that prove innovation doesn't have to come with a high price tag. Which one surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments. And if you're all about discovering cool, budget-friendly gadgets, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell because we're bringing you the best tools, gear, and gadgets every single week. Until next time, stay curious, stay handy, and keep leveling up your toolbox.